In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wufoo to WordPress. We'll walk through each step to integrate your Wufoo forms seamlessly into your WordPress site. This process is straightforward and only requires a few minutes, ensuring your forms are up and running without any hassle. To get started, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is your main control panel, where you can access all the features and settings of your site. Once there, look for the Plugins option in the left sidebar. Hover over it and click on Add New. This is where you can find and install new plugins to enhance the functionality of your WordPress site. Now, in the search bar at the top right of the Add Plugins page, type in Wufoo or Wufoo shortcode. This will bring up a list of plugins related to Wufoo. It's important to install the official plugin provided by Wufoo, or at the very least, choose one that is reputable and has good user reviews. This ensures compatibility and security for your website. Once you've located the right plugin, click Install Now. After the installation is complete, you'll see an option to activate the plugin. Click this button. Activating the plugin is crucial because it enables the new features on your site, allowing you to use the Wufoo integration. With the plugin active, it's time to hop over to your Wufoo account. Here, select the form you'd like to embed. At the top of the Forms page, click on Share and then select Embed. You will be presented with different embedding options. Choose the WordPress Embed option. This will trigger Wufoo to generate a shortcode specifically designed for WordPress integration. The shortcode will look something like this: Wufoo username exampluser form hash ABCD123. All that's left is to incorporate this shortcode into your WordPress site. Copy the shortcode from Wufoo and then head back to your WordPress dashboard. Decide whether you want to add the form to a page or a post and open the editor for that page or post. Use the shortcode block in your WordPress editor. Paste the Wufoo shortcode directly into this block where you want the form to appear. This is where the magic happens. Once embedded, your form will render beautifully on the front end of your site. And there you have it, a Wufoo form embedded seamlessly into your WordPress site, ready for visitors to use. Remember, integrating tools like these can enhance the interactivity and functionality of your website. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check back for more tips and guides on making the most of your WordPress site.